We just announced our results, and I'm happy to report that we showed a 12% increase in revenue and an equal amount on EBITDA. And this is despite the challenging environment and the pricing environment across many parts of the world. So we're very happy with the performance. It's slightly ahead of our expectations for the quarter. And I think it shows that we have great all-round performance across markets. So if you look at India, we've grown at 22%. Our therapy growths are higher in respiratory, cardiology, and urology compared to market. South Africa has shown a great 10% growth in rupee terms. And I think again there, our engine is just working super fast to make sure that we grow much higher than market and satisfy patients all over the world, all over the South African country and also in Sub-Saharan Africa. API business did really well, grew 48%. It's been the outperformer of this quarter in terms of overall growth percentage. Our emerging markets in Europe business struggled a bit because of volatility-induced pressures across the world, sanctions, etc. But I'm glad to report that that business in-market growth has been very strong as well. And if you look at the US business, we're happy to see that we've come close to what we guided in the previous quarter. And with the number of approvals and the number of launches that we will be having, I'm sure that that trajectory will lift much higher. So we're flat in the US, but we're looking forward to growing that very significantly on the back of our approvals. So our priorities stay exactly the same. We are looking at making sure that our margin expands. We are looking at making sure that we beat industry in most parts of our geography in terms of growth. We're looking at making sure that our units are in good state of compliance and control. We got 3 EIR notifications last quarter, both for Goa, Indore, as well as Invergen in the US. These are our 3 primary facilities that supply the markets around the world, including the US. And frankly, our R&D and portfolio trajectory is looking really up. So I think we're on a good track. We started the year well. There are challenges in the remaining part of the year, but Cipla as a team has always come together. We have tremendous amounts of teamwork, collaboration happening in the company. And to all the Cipla employees, thank you for making sure that we've had a great quarter, and thank you for coming together to make the impossible possible. All the very best.